We're here now. There's capybara. Capybara. I want to watch.
I thought they were friends. Oh dear. Well, we're
Okay, so we just arrived. I'm excited. See the capybara. Ouch! It's 9:11 p.m. AM. Waiting me. We're here in the... Look, guys. It says Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo. This is what I saw on TikTok. So cool. Hello, Nanay Sue. This is my ganda namin.
Morning.
So we just arrived. There's a crocodile.
Ganun ba yan?
There's a crocodile.
Oh, sige nga. Ikaw nga. Kain ka dun. Yan. Yan.
Dali, doon ka, be. Yak, ayos. Harap.
No, anak na. Baka mamibigay.
Harap kayo.
Sira. Okay, so we just arrived. I'm so excited. So, I'm excited. Gonna be in. Wait.
Ito ka sa gitna.
God, wait. Just stop this program. Okay, so, hindi nga nakabidyo. Ito yung mababogang.
Dito. Third.
Isa pa.
May photographer na dito.
Third, isa ka pa. Ikaw pate.
Third, ikaw pa third. Dito third.
I'm so excited.
Solo ka doon.
I hear it. It goes like...
Plito yan dito.
There's a peacock here. Meron nga.
Ayan o, lapat TV yan. Ayan o, akit ka dito. Ayan o, ito.
Oh, look at this. Wait, look.
Picture ko kayo lahat. Ayan o, lahat tayo. Cellphone mo lang eh.
Oh my God, it's that bird from Famous Hunters.
Dalang kabuhayan paglabas, ha?
Oh, lahat tayo lahat.
Pasok natin. Pasok natin sa malita.
Ganun na. Lahat tayo. Tol.
So, may bata. There's a kid.
Ganun ka dito. Dito ka. Akbay ka dito. Nasaan yun ang 50? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 8 tayo. Saan ang 50?
Yes, sa kanya na. Aray ko, ano ko? Ilan female?
1, 2, 3.
Yung?
3.
4, 5, 6.
3 females.
Ay, sige.
Four.
1, 2, 3.
Three.
3.
Three lang.
1, 2, 3. Ngayon tayo.
Oh, sabihin, bakla pala si daddy.
Guess name. Ako na lang.
Hindi, tama tayo.
Ilang
Ha?
guess name.
James, tingnan mo. Guess name. Ito na. Was.
It's a wasp. What's that?
Regular rate.
1 years old ako.
Address. Davao City.
So, senior lang.
Address mo, yan address. El Rio daw, El Rio. Lagay mo ng El Rio.
Ano yung L talaga?
El, yan. Tapos Rio. Okay.
Ano pa?
Okay na yan, silang bala.
Okay na.
Ma'am, 9 mo tanan apil lang senior ani. 8 times 450 plus 350, 3950.
May Gcash kayo? Gcash?
Ha?
Gcash po. Gcash.
Gusto niyo mong signal sa QR? Pwede po. 8 times 450 plus 350, 3950 po.
Gamitin yung pera ni James. Nakdang na. Ano yung naman bayad?
Nakbong ka na, baby. Say hello.
Hi. Hi.
Hello.
Dito. Hello.
Hello!
Hello.
Ano ba naman yung vlog yan? Parang walang magla-like niya na. Ako magla-like.
Ako din.
Bea. Oh, Bea.
Hindi na siya okay lang.
Oopsies. Still inside. We're inside. Look at the turtle. I'm actually taking pictures. Look. Ribbit. Ribbit.
Hey, dyan ba yan?
A dog. Nine.
9 pa lang. 10-15. Pakalayan.
There's a show, guys.
Paikot-ikot pa tayo. Nako, bones. Real. That's his real bones.
What bone is that?
Crocodile. Ayun na ako.
Capybara. No, capybara.
Sa Manila to, meron na.
Walang ganito yata eh.
Capybara.
Daga na pinalapiro.
Capybara.
Dapat video mo ito na to. Video mo pangalan, tapos yun. Tapos yun, video mo yung mismong actual. Yan.
Wait, well,
Not here, you can go up here.
you can.
Here, then you can go like this. Yan.
Capybara.
Pili kamera, di ba?
Capybara yan, nice.
Daga lang yun dito.
Look at them.
Baboy na laki.
Look. Look. It's birds. They can fly freely. Look. It's a parrot. Hello, parrot. I just get so nervy. Oh, go look at the parrot. Hello, parrot. Look at so cute. I just get so nervy. Kitain! Kitain! I just get so nervy.
You want to touch that?
Kala ko nga buhay yung cobra dun eh. At tayo, reserve yun pala.
Ma!
Yun pala. Ito, buhay dun eh. Ito yung
Hindi
buhay.
mo ma!
Ito yung aso, buhay.
Oh my.
Ay, iguana.
Sir, pwede na mong group. Dili na namin chat.
150 group eh.
May magnet din yan, ma.
Kayo dito na.
Ikaw na yung magawa. Ikaw na yung
Okay. Okay. Nakahawak na ako dati.
dyan sa...
Ikaw maghawa.
So,
Ikaw
ako na. Ako na yung.
Run lang natin.
Lagi mo sa daddy.
Ano mo sa baba? Oh my God! Is that a lizard?
Eh,
What? What is that? Oh, pwede umakyat.
yung gabi sa taas dito. Kurang.
Daddy, picture daw dun, oh. Do not enter crocodile feeding in process. Okay. Pagpakain lang pala yan. Not feeding the crocodiles. Best.
May dala ako. ata.
Ay, bakit?
Nahulog. What's that? Good crocodile. Na crocodile.
Pwede na
Na crocodile. Where? Ka! Ako hawak!
Dito rin.
Ako!
Hawak, sige, ikaw hawak.
Pwede naman. Pwede naman.
Tara na, tara. Group na lang. Ay, si Drake. Sino ang picture? Master, sama ka mo, Master. Yan. Mag-picture tayo. Ikaw daw tagahawak.
Kami naman tayo dito eh.
Sige, sino hawak dito?
Suko, ikaw to. Si James, si James.
Si Jim,
Ikaw hawak na.
Ako na! Ako na lang!
Sige, ikaw hawak.
Hawak ang ahas.
Sige, go.
Oh my God.
Sino naman si Jim?
Ay, si Kuya Tay dalag pala.
Sige na, hawakan nyo na.
Ang kami na, Pi.
Ikaw to.
What's pala laro?
Ah, yan. Ah, lahat pala yan.
Ayun, yan.
Wala, bagong kain na to. Hindi na kasya si Jim.
Mabait yan.
Ay, ang ganda. Ate, hawak ate. Dito ka sa duduli. Ang ganda, oh.
Agatin mo.
Hawakan mo.
Ang ganda eh.
Ayun yan, sige. Yan lang sa camera po.
Sa camera. 1, 2, 3.
Tingin na ka.
One more. 1, 2, 3. Tingin sa camera, ma'am.
Oh my God!
Okay. Ay, may cellphone ka, cellphone. Sige, tingin.
I did that. Daday so nakatakpan mo.
Yung crocodile, pwede din ba ganito?
Sige, tingin.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. One more.
Okay, thank you po. Parang ano lang, no?
It's silky. Maganda. That was weird. That's the weird.
Yan na lang.
So scary. Oh my God, I got scared. I'm scared. There's an owl here. Where's the owl? Owl dito.
Ay, ito tayo. Ay, crocodile yun, ha? Tulog yung crocodile na.
Yes, I don't like crocodile.
Ay, tayo mo na, Mae.
Balikan na.
Balikan na natin.
Where's the owl? I think there's an owl.
Dito yata yung show, no?
Ah, dito.
Oh my God, there's a show.
Nak, pasok ka dyan. Pasok ka dyan. Dito, sa loob.
Yes, I know. Help me, I'm being eaten.
Ning,
Someone could help me.
yak. Wait lang. Sige. Mari, kinagat ka. 1, 2, 3. Apa? Tingin ka mo. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, there is the crocodile.
Ayun o, tulog.
Where? Oh,
Ay, di saan? Ayun.
it's the crocodile. I can see the crocodile. There's gonna be a show later at 10, but it's still 9:30. Oh my God, what's this yellow thing? Daddy, something new is coming. Hindi, soon yan. Where is the eel? May nakita kong eel.
Big cats na ko. Big cats. Might spray down ako. Be careful. Might spray with urine.
Layo. Dito.
Saan yun?
Dito, ayun na, oh. Nakatingin na, oh.
Oh.
Yun.
Big cats yan? Layo.
Ang baho.
Tao ng ihi niya na. Nagsispray ng ihi daw yan.
Urine daw.
May layan mo yan.
Beware, mama. Is this...
Ayun o. Ayun na ka.
Oh, naririnig ko.
Narinig mo na. Ay, tiger na.
Oh my God, it's Zumba. You can see, guys. If you can't, I don't know. It's still sleeping. It's still 9. A Bengal tiger. Oh my God.
Parang disco, parang hindi magalaw eh.
Totoo yan.
Totoo yan?
Hindi, peke yan. Kapibara! Kapibara! I'm most interested with capybara. Capybara. Oh my God, my baby capybara. Pwede yata pumasok. Oh. Ostrich feeding and koi feeding. Feeding, Daddy. Daddy, feeding. Feed sila. Pwede?
Baka mo din, kinakagat-kagat niya yung kamay mo.
Feeding da. Animal feeding. Animal feeding. Those are, what animal is that? Koi feeding. Koi. It's koi. That's a koi. Ma, may feeding dun. Oh. Feed natin. No.
Waka mo na yun. Ay!
Masakit? Ayos o? Nakakaya ka. It's good.
isda.
That's koi fish. Tawag dyan koi fish eh.
tayo.
Where's the ostrich?
Para mamaya, manood lang tayo ng show.
May ostrich daw dito.
10:15 pa. Baka yun yung kanina, handa natin. Walang owl, where's the owl?
May ostrich daw dito.
Yun, narinig natin na.
Playground. Is that a playground?
Wala, good lang yung playground. Daming playground.
Ang liit.
Sa animals tayo.
Yun.
Baboy ramon ako. Wild pig. Wild pig. Yan. Wild pig. Ay, yung ostrich na ko. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God.
It's ostrich. Pwede ba dito?
Mindanao warty pig.
How did they get Mindanao?
Oh my God. Naku, makasakay ka. Ostrich.
Hi, ostrich. He's happy. Or she. Is that a girl or a boy? Hold up. Lalaki o babae? Hello! Sabi niya, ano? Sabi niya, may pagkain.
Mukha ni Karen siya.
May susumbong kita doon.
Hindi, pag ano mga...
It smells ew. Ew. The smell. The smell is so... Oh my God, it's from the Cape of Demon Hunters. How was it goes? How was it long? Z for zebra, that's what I learned. Because I don't know what letters that has a Z or an animal that has a big Z. So I just say zebra, bra. There's a zebra there. It looks like Zane. It looks like Zane from Afro.
Halika dito. Ayun!
Oh, wow. I am posting a video.
Bakit naka-upside down ng ating mga bats in general? Bakit sila nakaganyan? It's because of locomotion lang po. Bago kasi nag-let go sila na
Ito, marami dyan sa ilog.
nila.
Oh my God.
Marami sa ilog din sa amin. Dyan lang, dyan lang.
So, bakit kasi sila nag-let go yung feet po nila while they are hanging po? Mas mabilis yung, or mas easy yung pag-open nila ng wings and pag-glide po nila. And unlike their relative bats po na uses echolocation when they are hunting, sila po, they use their vision or nakakakita po sila or yung mata yung ginagamit po nila. Okay. Yes. So yan po yung ginagawa niya is nagpa-find po.
Pa! Bat!
Tomorrow we will see a mini bat.
Bat!
God. What's that?
Oh my God, it's a peacock! A peacock! A peacock! It's a peacock. Peacock! Spread your wings right now.
Look, what is on outside?
It's a peacock.
Black parrot.
Peacock yan, peacock.
Ano sa taas?
There's a peacock. Oh my God! Peacock yan, nanay sir. Minsan bumubukas yung ganyan niya sa likod. Bumubukas yan eh.
Maliliit. Kaso marami.
Daddy! Daddy! Sana bubukas ang wings! Sana bubukas ang wings! Ayun sinasabi ko.
Oh my God. Looks like in Palawan.
Ayun sinasabi ko, sana bubukas ang wings. I hope it opens. Ayan o! Indian people! It's an Indian. So it speaks Indian. Oh my God. Parrot! I just get so nervy. Parrot! Eh. What's that? Oh, that's a peacock. Peacock, spread your wings. get so nervy. Nervy. Not nervy. I just get so nervy. I want peacock spread their wings. Di sana nga i-spread ang wings ng peacock na.
Yung sa Palawan, di ba nag-spread?
The third, I just get so nervy parrot. I know. Yung, I just get so nervy na parrot. I know. Third,
What's that? Yung picturean maayos, hindi nag-spread. Parot. Kusapin mo na. Kusapin mo.
hello!
Hello. Parang patse.
Hello, little parrot. I just get so nervous. I love you, baby. I love you. Peacock.
Hello.
Minsan, mami, bubukas ang wings niyan. Yung white. Bubukas yung wings niyan. Yung parang pinicturean namin. Yung last time. Bubukas yung wings niyan. Just, hindi, be patient kasi nabukas na yung kaganina.
Bumukas na kanina.
Hindi, parang bumukas kaganina. Kasi pag parang nabukas na niya wings niya, magpapahinga muna siya bago bukas ulit.
Ayun yata.
Baby!
Ano? Baby crocodile.
Oh, my baby! They're so cute. They're so cute. Is that fake?
Alam sa Palawan na pinawakan natin.
Ayan.
Baby crocodile.
Where I am looking for the white owl.
White owl.
Another ito restroom.
So, siyar mo na kayo dun.
Okay. I'm gonna back.